In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. My dear brothers and sisters, today I want to talk about a very important reality of life, and that is, patience is the key to success. Every person in this world wants success, but not everyone is ready to face difficulties. Life is not always easy. Sometimes we face failure in studies, sometimes financial problems, sometimes family issues, and sometimes emotional pain. At that moment, a person feels like giving up, but Islam teaches us a very beautiful lesson. Be patient is not weakness. Patience is strength. Patience is strength. It is the ability to control your anger, to stay calm in hardship, and to keep moving forward even when life is difficult. Many people fail not because they are weak, but because they lose patience too early. Success takes time. A seed does not become a tree in one day. It needs water, care, and patience. In the same way, success also needs time, effort, and patience. Allah Almighty says in the Holy Quran that He is with those who are patient. This means when you stay patient, you are never alone. Allah's help is always with you. Keep praying, keep working hard, and keep trusting Allah's plan. Remember, after every hardship comes ease.